2002 Ford Excursion V10 Beast. This is the converter that was on it. This is the muffler that was on it. What we did, he wanted it to flow. So here it is, the stock downpipes. They are in there. Then it wires into a single. Then what we put on it is a high flow 3-inch in, 3-inch out catalytic converter, 3-inch pipe all the way back. Then connected it to his original tailpipe and put a massive 5-inch tip in the place of this one right here. Here it is. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. Ram 2500 V10. This is what we got done on it. So it's got 2 factory converters on it. It's true dualed into 2 factory converters. There. The manifolds are up there, one there and one there. They're all factory. There's the 2 cats, factory. Then we wired it into it usually comes with this massive muffler right there. It's a dual in, single out right there. We cut it off and put a Y pipe in its place, as you guys can see right there. And continued into his tailpipe. And then added the massive 5-inch angle cut tip to complete the look. Came out absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, there's the muffler right there. Dual in, single out. Massive muffler. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right, guys. 2004 Dodge Ram V10. Look at this thing. SRT 10 Beast. Hoss. Whatever you want to call it. It was so past its time. Dodge needs to bring this back, or Ram needs to bring this back. Start making V10s again. What we got done on it. So came already with stock manifolds, and somebody else did this, as you guys can see from the old welds and all that. So we left all that alone. We don't touch that. Then we ran 2.5-inch MagnaFlow, dual in, dual out, and then 2.5-inch tailpipes out the side. He wanted a different look. He didn't want tips on it yet, so we didn't put tips. But here's the MagnaFlow. Part number, overall length is 28 inches. Part number is 12568. He wanted a lot quieter, so we said, we got you, and we hooked him up with a little bit quieter. Then we custom bent tailpipes for it, as you guys can see, with hangers and everything. And we just gave him a little bit of a different look like there, with the body lines just clean. Nothing crazy. He didn't want tips. He likes the original look. So that's what we did on it. Look at this thing. Beautiful. And it had all this stuff on it that we took off. All these mufflers and collectors and tip and all that. Look at that beast. Sound decibel. V10. Sounds so much better now. You like it? You can't hear me. Too loud. You can't even hear me. Hope you guys like it. I like it. It sounds awesome. Oh, babe. Much better. Here's sound decibels. 116. Again. So much better. And it's a 6-speed. Go ahead and back it out. I love standard transmissions. They make exhaust sound so good. No rev limiter crap. Oh, it sounds so good. Good. guys think? Let me know in the comments if you like it or you don't like it. I think it just sounds classy for that kind of truck. What do you think of the sound?
I like it.
She likes it! Sounds neat. I like it.
I don't like it.
We can. Let you guys hear on the inside. And it's 5-speed? 6-speed. Look at that. It's been converted. That is freaking awesome, guys. Look at that. It's a 6-speed. Give a guess. Wow. Here we go. Let you guys Version 2002 V10. It's a tune-up too. Ram 2500 V10. Muffler delete and 5-inch tip. All the way from Michigan. Much better. Thank you. Enjoying it.